If you've been trying to learn German and wondering what to do and where to start, well, this video is for you because if you're not sure how to begin learning German, this guide will walk you through a system that actually works. Here's a quick question. How many words do you think you need to know to understand the majority of spoken German? The answer is about 3,000. That number gets you around 95% of spoken German. But if you've ever tried learning a language before, you already know just learning words isn't enough. You need to hear them in context again and again to actually understand how they're used, and eventually start using them yourself. That's what brings me to Pimsleur. It's one of the most realistic ways to build a foundation in German, especially if you want to get comfortable speaking early on. You're hearing full conversations, repeating phrases out loud, and training your brain to think in German, without staring at flashcards or grammar drills all day. Now, Pimsleur is a language learning program that's been around for over 50 years, and it's designed to help you speak a new language like German using its audio-based method. It focuses on real-life conversations. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a linguist and language expert, who really believed that learning a new language should be simple and accessible for everyone. The program originally started out with cassette tapes and CDs, which is kind of crazy to think about now, but it's come a long way since then. And today, Pimsleur offers lessons in over 50 different languages, and has built out a full online platform, including an app and web version. Now, because it's built entirely around audio, that means you can do it while walking, driving, cooking, whatever fits into your day. Each lesson is around 30 minutes and built on a short real-world conversation. You listen, repeat, and respond out loud as the speaker guides you through it piece by piece. And hey, if you're interested in learning German with Pimsleur, you can use my link in the description, which normally gives you an extra discount. Okay, so the very first German lesson focuses on basic greetings, common questions, and everyday scenarios. Things like asking for directions or ordering food. And instead of memorizing them, you're practicing them in real life with a guided audio. You can listen during your morning walk, while doing the dishes, or on your commute to work, making it easy to stay consistent when it fits into your day like that. Another thing that makes Pimsleur stick is something called spaced repetition. It brings phrases back right when you're about to forget them. It sounds simple, but it actually works. Instead of forcing yourself to memorize, Pimsleur just brings things back into your brain naturally, the same way you'd start memorizing parts of a song. Over time, you'll find yourself recalling phrases automatically, even if you haven't reviewed them in a few days. And because everything is built around speaking, you're not just recognizing the words, you're using them. That's a huge deal when it comes to building confidence. After a week or two of consistent listening, try retelling what you've learned in your own words. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just repeat a phrase, recap a short story from the lesson, or even describe your day in basic German. This activates your speaking muscles even more. You're going from passive understanding to actually producing the language. And that's where real growth happens. Write a few sentences, say them out loud, or even record yourself. It helps lock in what you've learned and expose any words or patterns you still need to work on. Now, each lesson walks you through a short conversation. You'll hear native speakers, get prompt to repeat, and build your vocabulary as you go. It's less about memorizing and more about learning to think in German through interaction. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it cost? So Pimsleur actually gives you a 7-day free trial so you can test it out and see that you actually like it before you commit. And if you decide to continue, there are a couple of options. The lifetime plan costs around $150, and you get full access to the German course, including over 30 core lessons, quizzes, transcripts, and the pronunciation coach. Then there's the all-access plan costing about $21 a month, where you get every language in the app, not just German. So if you want to try Italian or Japanese next, you don't have to pay again. Also, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no pressure to commit if it doesn't work for your learning style. So here's the big picture. If your goal is to actually speak German, to have conversations, to travel more comfortably, or just feel more confident, then I would definitely recommend giving Pimsleur a try. It's hands down one of the easiest ways to fit language learning into a busy schedule. And most importantly, it works. And again, I've included a discounted link down in the description that gets you a better deal than going straight to their website. So definitely check that out if you're interested. And of course, if you've got any questions about how it works, how I used it, or what to expect, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Good luck with your German learning journey, and I'll see you in the next one.